Lucy, she's 18 years old.
Here, they've just been brought off the hill that are going to be actually getting trained, so they're not used to people very much just now, but they'll eventually get trained up and they'll be less kind of nervous. This black one here is Peggy. She's 2 years of age. Yeah, so you get a lot. They're all given Scottish Gaelic names, and they're registered with the Highland Cattle Society as at birth that they're pure pedigrees, and you get a certificate and it details who their father. And then I have Jenny, my butcher, comes in on a Wednesday and she takes it off the bone, and then we prepare all the cuts and supply direct to hotels and restaurants, so there's nobody else in the process, just myself.
I never understood why it doesn't rot. The meat doesn't rot.
Aye, yes.
I don't.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it does. It is degrading, you know. It is, but it's kept at a temperature so that it doesn't go rancid. You know, the
what
fat.
Would be the temperature?
Well, it's below 4 degrees, so you would get rancidity if it was warm. So it doesn't. You will get some kind of mold growth on it, but that all gets trimmed off. You know.
Yeah.
So that's what we do, and they're a really lean. Yes, the horns are handy for giving yourself an itch if you've got an itchy spot, you know. Because diet, getting fed, nothing else, drinking water out the burns, just living a happy, healthy life. They never need medicated. You know, they're such healthy, strong animals. When they come indoors, it's really hot. They don't like confined spaces. They don't like sheds. So they actually clip their backs, trim their tails, and that helps keep them cool. And because they've got such thick coats, as I say, they're a lean meat, they don't lay down fat, so that's why they're in here, to put on some fat coverage on the carcasses, because that's what the chefs love, you know, for cooking, just having that fat. So they get fed, as you'll see, there's a brewery here, Deeside Brewery, they give us drafts, so they get fed that twice a day. They also get Castle at Balmoral. She loves the breed, it's native, it's Scottish, Queen Victoria loved them, and so it's really nice. You know, she has such a good name for her bloodline, everybody wants a bull from the Queen, so there's a select few that she rears on as bulls and sells, and they fetch, you know, like 9,000, 10,000 pounds, you know, so she does very well out of her Highlanders. But the ones that don't quite cut the grade, they come to me, and I rear them on for beef. But they're all kept outdoors, natural diet, good lifestyle, so that's them there. That little guy there, he's one of the latest that has come here. He's still got his horns on. He's not been castrated yet, but he will be shortly. So we do all that here on the farm. The reason they get dehorned is so that they're not fighting with each other, bruising the beef. Also for the slaughter process, they don't want big horns that can slow up the process, stress out the animals. So it's all done cleanly and calmly and smoothly. They also get castrated so that the hormone isn't in the beef, you know, in the flavour, and it just ensures that all the krill goes into the beefy bits instead of wasted on neck muscle and things like that. So so that's why they get that done to them. But I still think, you know, they can look quite bonny, and they get their hair trimmed around their eyes as well so that they can see, and it calms them down a bit. Rather, because they're used to being out in the freedom of the outdoors, not penned up. So they're pretty calm, they get used to seeing me every day, you know, coming in and need for luxury car seats, your Lamborghinis and that there. So there is a use for them, yeah. But I am actually looking into being able to get them and getting a licence so I can get the hides back, put them to a tannery and make something with them myself, because it's important for me to maximise what I can get back from an animal, you know, and helps provide income for the farm. There's not many other farms can't think of any that actually just have Highland cattle and do nothing else. The majority of other farms cross them with other breeds of cattle such as Shorthorn or Aberdeen Angus, and the reason they do that is to make larger carcasses and yield more beef. They were reared, they've not been intensively fed or pumped concentrates or grains, and that's a natural diet. And that's what makes the flavour of the beef so beefy, you know, is because it's all natural grass that they're eating, natural food, and they're calving period. We have the January calvers, which is our show team. So
No, I didn't catch it that one. Still have people walking up to me. I still didn't catch it. Looking at me. Look at that guy out there. Yeah. He's here.
yeah.
He's here.
He's got the calf. He's got the calf. This is her calf that was born in January, Kate Mora. She's just getting used to being halter trained. She's lost her baby here, her calf is off,
the one
so
laying
she's
down.
quite bald, but her new coat will start to grow in. It'll be quite
That's cute.
dark lights, so she'll look quite pretty, you know, and she'll be showing and growing on as to be a breeding cow with the herd. So the show ones are really special. They generally, the ones that I breed here, are going to be kept and increase the breeding herd. The other cows, the beef mothers, they've all been brought in from folds all over the country, so it gives a big kind of pool of bloodlines and breeding. They've all got names, they've all got their own individual characters and stories where they've come and how they behave and react, you know. So yeah, so they really are lovely, and you get to know them pretty well and get really attached to them, you know, especially Una. You know, she was like the first calf that I started showing. My daughter Beth's 15. She's shown her heaps for young handlers, won championships. My daughter has. She's done better, you know, herself as a handler and winning prizes and trophies than you'll see them in America. You'll see them, you know, in Europe, in Switzerland, Austria, Germany. You know, they're up the Andes, so they're really adaptable. They just adapt to whatever country they're in. Summertime it's hot, start to cast their hair quite a bit, so she's lost a lot of hair. She's actually rearing her second calf as well, it'll be her third calf, so she's in calf again. She'll calf in January, so she's always working. You know, it uses a lot of her energy, so she actually gets extra feeding. You know, with a pressure washer, she gets a good shampoo, all her tangles and her tubs get taken out, all the dust and the dirt, and her horns, they get all sanded with sandpaper. You know, you can spend a good hour taking out all the scratches that get in the horns out in the hills and etching on fences and things like that and trees. So they get all sanded down and they're just like walking stick handles by the end of it. They're really polished, and it just attracts the attention of the judge, you know. So the things we like: nice broad shoulders, good sound feet, strong to carry themselves up the hills. You want a lovely long level back. It's really important that they're long, especially for beef production, because this is where all the high-end parts and cuts are, your steaks, your fillets. Well, typically a cow can have 15 calves, so that's one a year.
With the same bull?
Yes, well, good, yes. As long as he's not breeding when he shows, we take the zebras with us, because it is really big.
and we are in Edinburgh. So I'm going to come and hand out these little treats that I have for you. Blessed apostolic tea cakes.